A say? B?
B.
C? D?
D.
E?
E.
F? G?
G.
No. What does G say?
G.
H?
What?
What does H say? What does I say? J?
J.
K?
K.
What does K say? What does L say?
O.
What does M say?
What?
What does M say? What does N say?
N.
What does O say?
R.
What does P say? Q?
Q.
R?
I will remember.
You don't remember? What does R say? Yeah. What does S say?
I will remember.
Try. What does S say? Yes. What does T say? Noah. What does T say?
I will remember.
What does T say? Yes. What does U say? What does V say? Yeah, what does V say?
I don't know.
Can you sit on your spot? We're almost done. What does V say?
B.
Yeah. What does W say? Okay, what does X say? Yeah. Y?
Y.
What does Y say? Look at me. What does Y say? No, that's X. Y says... That was close. Y says, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
What does Z say? Yes! Look at me. Good job. You know all your letter sounds. Good job. Say bye.